What's up everyone, welcome back to the videos. Today's a very special day, but before we start today's video, for an oh god damn it. The first time around we did these key tags. Everybody loved them. We sold out in like 2 days and it was dope and awesome. And you guys have been begging me for these key tags yet again. And so here we are for the 20,000 subscriber celebration. We have our Gen Gang V2 key tags. On the back it says hashtag respect the build. We have them in this time in red and in the original black. If you guys are wanting to pick these up, click the link in the description. The first 10 people to use code GenGang10 will receive 10% off your order, but that's only for the first 10 people, so get it while it's available. Now into the video. Ricky, we're here at Nifty Built. This video has been a long time coming. The wheels for the Cayman, as you guys remember, that was like a big struggling point. I am so excited for you guys to see these wheels because they're absolutely nuts. Should we show them, Ricky? Yeah. Oh my goodness. These are so thick. Show them the insides. Oh. Look at how freaking hot boy this is. Polished inners and outers. Absolutely nuts. These are the rears. They're ridiculously deep. How deep are these, Ricky?
We got 8 1/4, and then we have 5 1/4.
Crazy.
Yeah. For the specs that we needed to use the inners as outers and then use the outers as inner barrels. So we flipped everything around, ordered the parts we needed for the barrels as lips, and then we had to source out and find something that was OEM, SSR, that was an inner barrel size already to use it as a lip, and then getting it fully polished so you couldn't even tell that it was a lip. Right. Or it was a barrel, so now it's a lip.
Right.
Yeah.
Now the reason that that's so difficult is because SSR lips and barrels usually don't even come that big.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
So it was really difficult for us to get this exact setup right here, what we needed. And I'm super stoked. I appreciate it, dude, for you knocking out this build and making these wheels as crazy as they are.
Definitely. It was definitely fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's definitely pretty sick. I'm excited to get these on the car. I cannot thank Ricky enough again for making the wheels. If you guys need any of your wheel rebuilds, polishing, whatever you need, 3-piece wheel, everything is Nifty Ricky. Okay guys, so we're gonna load these up into the car. We're gonna get them back home. We could potentially try and test fit them on the car. I'm stoked. I hope you guys are stoked. There's so much more stuff coming that I can't even wait to tell you guys about. And this was just one piece of the puzzle. One piece of the puzzle, and it's finally here. Sick. What do you think of these?
Yeah, they look shiny. Shiny! Like the treasure from the Pokemon wreck. Scrub the tech and make it look shiny! I will sparkle like a wealthy woman's neck.
You heard it here first, folks. They're shiny. Here we go for the Hot Boy setup. Taking the wheels home. Here we go. Finally got the wheels. Thank you, Ricky. We're gonna say goodbye to Ricky and Nifty Built Wheels again. If you guys are in Southern California or anywhere, right, Ricky?
Yeah.
Have him send your wheels his way. He'll work wonders on them. They will be beautiful. If you need any custom setup, just like mine, hit Ricky up. He'll make it happen. Let's get home. Let's put these on the car. Hey, Mushu. Hey, can I have your toy? That's over the Christmas tree, dude. You're crazy. Man. So now that we have the wheels home, I wanted to sit down and talk about these a little bit more and why they are so special. Now I know we briefly went over this with Ricky, but there's a lot more in depth that went into this wheel and why the process was so long. So right out of the gate, if you guys remember when we had the wheels with Kyle and we test fit them, they were 18 by 9 in the front and then 18 by 10 in the rear, and they're plus 45 square all the way around. Now the offset was so bad on both the wheels that it didn't fit onto the car because the wheel was touching the inside of the strut. So that was like our first issue. We needed to re-lip the wheels as a whole. The second thing is with the rear, because the wide body kit was so wide, we needed to get an extremely negative offset wheel, and to achieve that with these SSRs, what I was going to need was an 8-inch lip, and unfortunately that's not readily accessible anywhere. You can call around anywhere that you want, and pretty much everybody's going to give you the same story. You're going to need to either order something custom, or you're going to need to import it from God knows where, because they're not easy to find, to say the least. So that's what we had to do. We had to get a custom lips made, or inner barrels made, I guess you could say, for the rears specifically. Now, there's a couple of things that need to happen when we do that, because these were so big and there's no way we were gonna get these in an actual lip, and we had to use these as an inner barrel. We had to, one, move the valve stem. So if you conceptually think about what's happening with the wheels, we're gonna take the face, flip it, use it on the inside. Normally, the air valve stem for a wheel faces outwards towards the car, so you can air it up from the front, right? But now when you flip these on the inside, the valve stem now needs to move to the inside of the inner barrel. So not only do you need to plug the hole in the front, you need to create a hole in the back, completely switching the entire thing. Another thing that happens with that is the face is actually a little bit wider. So there needs to be material, actually needs to be machined off so that it can actually fit inside of this space. So that's a ton of work in and of itself, just for the rear wheels. Now the next and biggest thing that you guys also see is the face is no longer black. So we took all the faces, sent them down to Media Blast to get them completely stripped, and then powder coated in this gunmetal gray. This is like, honestly, it's a little bit lighter than I had expected and than I wanted, but the finish came out totally fine. We ceramic coated these and everything, so they look great. I'm so attached to these wheels is because it is like a traditional style RWB wheel. Doing the Porsche build, I wanted to do something that was RWB-esque and kind of true to that era. I found these in a 5x130 with the same exact center bore that's already on my car. So when I found these, I had originally wanted to get Works. I was like, I can't pass this up, because in order for me to get this bolt pattern and the center board that I needed, I was gonna have to order a custom wheel regardless. So this was a super, super awesome find. And it was awesome that Ricky could actually blow these apart and rebuild these for me. We did wait for a long time because these wheels are so special and a lot of work needed to happen to get what we needed. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm super stoked to get these onto the car. I'm not gonna put them on the car quite yet because I wanna do that when I get the kit. Before we end today's video, again, we have the link to the key tags in the description. We have them in red and in black. Let me grab one of these for you guys. All right, so we have the Gen Gang key tags in black. Down the back, you can see it says Gen Gang. Then you have the hashtag respect the build on the back in black. And then again, we have the same thing. This time this hit the Gen Gang in red. Hashtag respect the build in the back. So stoked. If you use the code GenGang10, you will save 10% off of your order, regardless of how many key tags you order. However, that code will only be valid for the first 10 people. So get it while you can. Hopefully you guys are part of the first 10 people. That'll be awesome. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Super pumped that we hit 20,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to get the rest of this content out for this build, but we're kind of in the middle portion of the build where we're just waiting for parts. Kind of sucks. But that's how it goes. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out of here. No.